Hey guys, what's up? So OnePlus has finally announced the launch date for the OnePlus 8 and 8 Pro, and these are gonna be launched on the 14th of April. We also have official confirmation on some of the specs for the two phones. Let's start with the community post by Pete that he has published on the OnePlus forums. It is clear from the post that OnePlus will use the Snapdragon 865 SoC on the OnePlus 8 Pro, which is set to provide 25% more CPU performance, a 25% improvement in GPU rendering times while using 25% less battery. So you can clearly tell 25 is the magic number here. While this is all in theory, how the phone will perform can only be told when we have it in our hands. OnePlus will also be using the latest RAM module, that is LPDDR5, which can achieve a transfer rate of 6400 Mbps at a bandwidth of 51.2 Gbps while being 45% more energy efficient. We also now know that UFS 3.0 is the storage here. I was hoping that they would use UFS 3.1, but that's not happening. They will use software to improve the speeds further with the help of Turbo Write and Host Performance Booster, so it should perform close to UFS 3.1 storage, if not better. He also goes on to say that all the devices will be 5G enabled, which we already knew. Also, we already know that the 8 Pro would use a 6.78 inches 120Hz Super AMOLED display, but it will be brighter than the one on the 7 Pro with almost 1300 nits of brightness on HDR10+. It will also display more accurate colors compared to the 7 Pro. OnePlus 8 Pro will also have a MEMC chip that would help upscale a normal 60Hz content to super smooth 120Hz. The display will always be on 10-bit HDR. Along with that, OnePlus is also working on an always-on display mode for Oxygen OS. So we might see that come to OnePlus phones with the OnePlus 8 and 8 Pro and later to other phones. There is some exciting news regarding the camera on the phone. Ishan says that the main camera would be the Sony IMX689 sensor with an aperture of f1.78. Last year's main camera, the IMX586, will be used as the ultra-wide camera this time with a 120-degree field of view. It will also have an 8-megapixel telephoto camera with 3x optical and 30x digital zoom. Finally, we have a 5-megapixel color filter that is supposed to improve colors captured by the phone. So the hardware seems to be very promising. Let us just hope that OnePlus improves the software processing and we get a great camera experience. He also mentions that there will be a new night portrait mode, 3 HDR video, cinematic effects and improved EIS and OIS. I am interested in that 3 HDR video effect and night portrait. That seems to be something new. The phone will also have improved haptics feedback. OnePlus already had one of the best haptics on an Android phone, and now this will take it to a whole new level. OnePlus will also launch the OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z alongside the OnePlus 8 and 8 Pro, and these are the new colors according to EveLeaks. Finally, we have 3 official colors with the Ultramarine Blue, Glacial Glow and the Onyx Black. The official cases for these phones have also been leaked courtesy of EveLeaks. In an interview with Business Insider, Pete Lau has confirmed that none of their phones will cross the $1,000 mark even with 5G in US. Here in India, we can expect the 8 Pro to start above 55,000 while the 8 may start around 40,000. That is everything for this video. OnePlus has started teasing its launch, so we can expect to get more details about the phones before the launch. Do let us know what do you think about the OnePlus 8 Pro and will you get one. Also consider subscribing to the channel for more such videos. I'll see you all in the next one. Till then, bye bye and stay safe.